Welcome. Today we'll learn two antonyms in German. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first verb we'll learn today is bauen, which means to build. Example: Ich baue ein Haus. I am building a house. Bauen is used when we're making something, such as building a house, a tower, or even a city. Now, the opposite verb for bauen is zerstören, which means to destroy. Example: Das Feuer zerstört das Haus. The fire destroyed the house. Zerstören means to spoil or destroy something that has been built. It's the opposite of bauen. Let's compare the two verbs. Bauen equals to make, to build. Zerstören equals to destroy. More examples. Die Kinder bauen einen Turm. The children are building a tower. Das Feuer zerstört das Haus. The wind is destroying the tower. Repeat the verbs and sentences and practice them with your friends. See you in the next lesson.